I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to compare files in Unix, Linux with example. So there I'm going to use the segment terminal. And if I write there pwd, so this is the percent working directory. If I write ls, then you can see there are no any files and folders there. So that I'm going to use raw underscore data directory. So let's paste this location and now using the cd command. So cd, then let's get the backslash, and now if I write ls, then you can see this list of files and folder is there. Now if I use the cat command, cat file1.csv, so this is the record, and here watching file3 record, so cat, so here you can see this is the record is there. So 60 80 90 60 80 that percent in this both, and here 90 is not present there, and 10 20 30 40 is not present in their file 1. Now let's compare this to file. So that going to use their diff command, diff file1 dot csv comparing with file3 dot csv. So here you can see this compare 1 to 5, here 10 20 30 40 that's not present inside there. So this is the difference between these two files, this, and here the next is 30 and 20. So 30 20 that's present there but not in this list. Okay, so that here this also compare, this is the unique, and here 90 that's not in there, 90% only there file 3. So this is the comparison. After that let's give there file 3 first, and now giving their file 1. So here this time 1 to 5 or this come, and first file 3 and file. So file 3 here or debit number, this column that's displaying. After that the next is 10 20 30 40, that is not inside their file 3, so this displaying. 90 is not in their file 1, so that's displaying. 30 20 is not inside their file 3, that's displaying. Okay, so both file that's compare. After that the next is let's compare. Here going to use, so let's use the cat file1 dot csv. This is the record, and now cat emp dot csv. So this is the record. There are no any common or column is there. So if I'm going to use diff command, diff, so this will simply display all the records. emp.csv comparing with the file1 dot csv. So here there is 1 to 5 compares, there is nothing in there. Next is simply this record file1 emp record that's displaying, and here this file1 record that's displaying. So if common is there, then this will display some columns, sorry, this will display some rows, but there is no any common rows there, simply here displaying the record. After that the next is there we can do the compare with the context mode. So here this emp not that going to use file1 and file3, so we can use the minus c. So this here you can see this is the context mode. Here you can get the data file1 file2. So this number created and this created on this state. So want to compare, here you can see this is the unique. Okay, this is not present in the next file, this is present there, so that this is a hyphen sign that's not displaying there. 30 20 is the present inside file 1, not in the 3, and the next is 1 to 4 60 80 90. So 60 80 that's present in the board, and here 90 is not present there, so hyphen that's displaying there. So this is unique in the file 1, so that hyphen, and here this present both, here this present both, so that this is not displaying the hyphen. Now the next is we can compare there with unified mode. So for this one you need to give here minus u. Here you can see this minus symbol, so minus minus that's come there. So this is unique in the file 1, and here 6080 6080 is the common between these two, so that here this is not coming there, minus 90 is the here plus plus that's come there. So this and both are different, so that displaying there, and this is also different, so that 90. So this is the first file and second file. This is the unique on the first file, and this is the plus, that means this is a unique on the second file. Now thereafter you can also compare with the case insensitive. So for this one, we need to give the -i. So here, case insensitive comparison, that's come there. After that, if you want to check the version of the currently using diff command, so you can also give diff minus minus version. So this will display here the version of diff command. So this is that's come there. After that, the next is you can also compare the directory also. So let's using the raw underscore data, let's copy and pasting there. And now let's rename this, giving the new name Jack. And now initially both file is the common. So let's close this, and now let's open this one. So going to compare with the recursively, so that we need to give the diff minus r. After that, first file location that's going to use there. Okay, this. So backslash is there. So let's use diff command, then minus recursively. That's going to use. And now let's copy this file location, sorry, folder location, and now let's paste there. So let's give the backslash. So both has same data, so that this there initially both has some same record, same folder, same file, so that it's nothing displaying blank. But if I did some record files, so this deleted, and now let's use the again diff command. Here you can see only C or this C user raw underscore data. So this is not available. So comparing with, so this present there on this raw underscore data, and this file 1, file 3, file 4, and file 5 and empty txt is not present inside the Jack. So this difference that's come there. And you can also, let's use there this directory, this directory. This two directory is not present there. And if I going to use diff, so here you can see this directory is not present there, so that this is blank. Okay, now if I remove this on this file, raw underscore data, some records, sorry, some files. So here this is raw underscore, and now let's remove like jet. So here you can see this is like jet, that's displaying on this. So this present in the Jack. Okay, so here file 1, file 2, file 3, that's present there, and like jet is not present there. So this is the there that's displaying DW day of this empty, that's present there. So this is a difference that's displaying there. So we can also do here comparison with the recursively by using any directory. So file 1, file 3, file 4, file 5, and file list directory that's present there but not in there. And here like jet that's deleted on this, also that present in there Jack but not in there. So this is the comparison that's I'm finding by using this diff minus r and here on this directory and Jack directory. So this is how we can do here comparison between files and directory in Unix command. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.